YouTube, I'm coming on. I want to do a tour of my summer kitchen. Now guys, I apologize for this light. I have been going back and forth with the light. Sometimes the sun is out and then sometimes it's raining. Right now the sun has come out. But anyway, I hope you all can see. Yes, I wanted to come on and do a tour of my summer kitchen because I said that I would. So we start right here. That's my same sign that I always have, my yummy sign. Got all the letters from Hobby Lobby. Guys, these are sheets. You can get these sheets from Walmart. I think they're like $3.50, and they're the twin flat sheets, but they're like a perfect 96 inches. And all you do is poke a hole and run your rod through it on the seam at the very top. And it's a very cheap way to get really long curtains. All right, so you see my table all the time. This is my same tablescape that I like to do for summer. I wanted to do like a lemon and green theme this year. So this is how my kitchen table is typically. I don't typically have it set because this kitchen is very busy, as most people's kitchens are. All right, so as you can see, I still have my cherry wood because I still haven't got the nerve to paint it. So I still have my cherry wood. I'm going to be transitioning things for fall soon. So I wanted to go ahead and do this. I try to keep it very clean this year for summer because, you know, everyone's home. We're doing so much. We're in and out of this kitchen. So I want to show you over here first. Full disclaimer. I just put this fake vegetables and stuff in here because I'm going to be going to the beach for the next week. So we got rid of all of our, you know, fresh food. So just for the sake of this video, y'all know I like fake food. So I just put some of my, you know, fall harvest stuff out. But typically I keep fresh fruit up here. I keep paper cups, paper spoons, and plates here for my boys, so I don't have to wash dishes all the time. But the piece itself, let me just show you this piece here. I got this from Hobby Lobby on clearance for $50. And I love it. I put it on the wall and I'm able to keep, again, fresh fruit up here. So for the summer, we've had like oranges up there and then cups and plates right there. So they're right on hand by the fridge. And then here I like to keep my onions and potatoes because I have a very small pantry. And that was just the best place for it. Okay. Over here, I decorated it a little bit for summer and spring. It really hasn't changed since spring. I still have my fresh pumpkin sign that I got last year from Big Lots. I decided to keep it up all year. I started to go get the one from World Market because they just built a World Market here in my town. But I didn't see the point. I really like this side. So I just keep it up all year. And so I just added some fresh eggs. And I have it this way all throughout the spring and the summer. Look at these really nice little measuring spoons that my dad gave me. As you know, I have like roosters throughout. I picked this up at a thrift store and I use it as like a spoon rest, but it's like wood. It matches perfectly, and the way it's even like shaped, it perfectly outlines that it misses the heat. I love it. I mean, I love it when a plan comes together. Now, this is my workstation. This is where I get busy. I know most people like to keep everything clear, but I just feel like if it's corralled, it's all good. So I got a really huge tray, the biggest tray I could find at Hobby Lobby. I put a little contact paper on it. And I just put everything that I need on hand to work. So this is my little working station. Then for spring, again, I did a pop of green with the apples. That's there all year. I did green with my soap, which is crazy because typically I do yellow in the summer. So I have done yellow, and I try to do orange stuff in the fall, and then I do this green at Christmas. But I had so much of it left that I just used what I had. Dollar Tree had those out this year, so I like that for a pop of green. I got that little tray that I keep my soap and counter spray on from TJ Maxx in the, you know, like bathroom section. But it works perfectly to keep everything corralled and my sink nice and dry. And then up here, I just have a wreath. Now, if you're new to this channel, maybe you don't know, but this Back here is Peel and Stick that you can get from TJ Maxx or Amazon, anywhere on Amazon. This is what I did for my coffee station. I kept it really clean for this summer because I don't drink as much coffee, I noticed, in the summertime as I do in the wintertime. I'm really like stuck on lemonade in the summertime and water. But so I did put my lemon cake in here for spring. Summer. And then, guys, I went to a local thrift store and someone was selling these for $15. And I just put a Hobby Lobby wreath on it with a burlap bow. And I really think it helps to pop with all the little touches of black I have going on throughout my kitchen. So yes, guys, this is my summer kitchen. I have really enjoyed it. Nice and clean. I'm looking forward to, I'm sorry, there is a glare on the screen and I do not know why. It's the sun, guys. Sorry. But I really have enjoyed seeing everybody's kitchens and all the summer decorations. But Walmart has started putting out their fall candles and stuff, and I am here for it. I've already started getting pumpkin waffle. And so I got one more summer candle I'm wearing down, and I'm going to be starting fall really soon. So I look forward to seeing everyone else. I hope everyone's had a fabulous summer. I am going to be doing a tour of our home in Orlando, of our vacation house there. My whole family will be there, so you may get to see some of them. And so anyway, guys, until next week or until the week after, I don't know when I'm going to post that video. I hope you all have a fabulous summer. God bless.